Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue? It's a question that has been asked countless times, yet the answer is far from simple. The sky appears blue because of a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. This is where the Earth's atmosphere scatters the sun's light in all directions, and the blue light is scattered more because it travels in smaller, shorter waves. This leads to another question. Why doesn't the sky appear violet then, since violet light has an even shorter wavelength than blue? Well, it's because our eyes are more sensitive to blue light, and because sunlight reaches us with much less violet light to begin with. Now here's a peculiar thought. If the sky is blue because of scattered light, why is space black? Shouldn't it also be blue? The answer is quite fascinating. Space appears black because there is no atmosphere in the vast expanse of space to scatter the sunlight. As a result, space appears as a blanket of darkness, with the exception of the stars and other celestial bodies that emit their own light. Moving on from the skies to our own bodies, have you ever pondered why our veins appear blue? Contrary to popular belief, our veins are not actually blue. They only appear so because of how light penetrates and exits the skin. In reality, if you were to take a look at your veins in a surgical setting, you'd find that they are a dark reddish brown. This leads us to another curious question. Why is blood red? Blood is red because of the iron in our red blood cells. When iron comes into contact with oxygen, it gives off a rusty red color, the same color that you see when blood leaves your body. But then why is the Statue of Liberty green? The Statue of Liberty is made of copper, and copper turns green because of a process called oxidation. This is the same process that causes iron to rust. When copper is exposed to the elements over a long period of time, it reacts with oxygen in the air to form a layer of copper carbonate, which is green. In summary, the sky is blue because of Rayleigh scattering, but our eyes' sensitivity to blue light and the lesser amount of violet light from the sun make the sky appear blue instead of violet. Space is black because there's no atmosphere to scatter the sunlight. Our veins appear blue because of how light penetrates and exits the skin, but in reality, they are a dark reddish brown. Blood is red due to the iron in our red blood cells oxidizing. And the Statue of Liberty is green because the copper it's made from oxidizes over time. It's fascinating how all these questions lead from one to another, isn't it? Each answer bringing forth a new question, a new curiosity. So continue asking, continue wondering, because curiosity is the seed of knowledge.